This installation will demonstrate how quick and easy it is to set up a Roll-A-Ramp modular ramp system, even in the snow. Much of the ramp system can be pre-assembled at your shop so that you can spend less time outside when the weather is cold. Start with setting the platform to the approximate height. Adjust the jack stand legs to the desired height and insert into tubes on the platform. The platform height should be in between the ground and the deck. Because the platform height is under 30 inches, no reinforcement kit is needed. When you order a modular ramp system, a 30-inch wide, 8-foot long ramp is shipped in two 4-foot sections and connected with quick pins. But in this case, the ramp was built as one continuous 8-foot section. The first ramp includes an upper load-bearing approach plate, which will rest on the deck and provide a smooth transition on and off the ramp. The aluminum approach plate at the lower end of the ramp is connected to the platform with seg mount brackets. Now, be sure to adjust any caution covers that may have moved when transporting or placing the ramp. Attach the handrail hook brackets onto the appropriate ramp links, but do not tighten all the way yet. Be sure to loosen the set screw on the side of the hook brackets, as they are tightened in the factory before shipping. Next, slide the pre-assembled handrail section into the hook brackets to make sure the hook brackets are positioned correctly on the edge of the ramp link. Once the hook brackets are positioned correctly, tighten the T-bolt before reinserting the assembled handrail section. Finally, tighten the set screw on the hook brackets. When tightening the set screw, you can use either the box wrench sent from the factory, or you can use your own 7/16 socket wrench. For this installation, the platform handrail brackets were pre-installed at the shop. Follow the same steps to add the handrails to the platform. Add the second handrail and then connect the corner brace. The second ramp has an aluminum non-load-bearing approach plate on the top and the bottom because it will attach to the platform with seg mount brackets. Now, follow the same steps from the first ramp to attach the pre-assembled handrail to the second ramp. For this installation, the customer selected to have handrails on only one side. These ramps do not require support stands because they are only 8 feet long. Ramps that are 10 feet and longer will need stands. This ramp will be left in place long term. So, for added stability and security, the dealer elected to drill anchors into the deck through the slots in the load-bearing approach plate. With pre-assembly, this ramp system was set up by 2 people in under 30 minutes. Because this ramp is considered temporary, no building permit was needed for this installation. Roll-A-Ramp is making the world more accessible, one ramp at a time.